CCTV footage has now emerged from Mud Islands and from the Aksa beach, which shows how the Mumbai police disregarded privacy and barged into the hotel rooms where young couples were enjoying a private moment. Now, questions are being asked about what permitted the Mumbai police to act in this fashion, and why has the Maharashtra Chief Minister not hauled up the police officials involved in this transgression? Is there no room for consenting adults in Amchi, Mumbai? Our Mumbai Bureau files this report.
At around 3:20 p.m. on Saturday, Mumbai police raided hotels and lodges in Mud Marve area. Crackdown that would shock India just hours later. They dragged out 40 couples, all consenting adults, from their hotel rooms and booked them for indecency in public.
There is Mantra Residency, which was raided by police on Thursday afternoon at around 4 p.m. There were 13 couples that were booked by the police. Rakesh Maria has said that he is investigating the entire matter. Who were the police involved in this case? What was that call? Who gave that information? Such questions are being investigated in this entire matter.
The owner of one of the hotels that was raided claims that the police swoop was totally uncalled for.
जो भी गेस्ट आते हैं, बच्चा भी आता है, उसका आईडी लेने का. जितना गेस्ट रूम में उतना जन का गेस्ट का आईडी ले लो, आप रूम दे दो.
The arrested couples were kept at the police station for hours and fined 1,200 rupees. Some even alleged that they were harassed and manhandled.
वो मेरे पास आई, कहने लगी कि मुझे पुलिस वालों ने मारा. तो मैं बोला क्यों? तो बोले कि नहीं, मुझे वो लोग से किया, वैसे कि हाथ दिखा रहे थे कि हाथ सब लाल लाल हो चुका था.
The Mumbai police claims they had been tipped off on a prostitution racket, sparking the crackdown. The heavy-handed raid has sparked massive outrage, with many questioning why anyone's personal business should concern the Mumbai police.
Whatever the police has done is completely wrong. They have harassed those couples who are major in age.
It's kind of a Talibanism of the thing.
Mumbai police should try to remove this negativity from society rather than interfering into others' relationship.
The police is trying to knock off money not only from the hoteliers but also from the individuals. It is a gross violation of the fundamental rights of every citizen in this country.
But the Maharashtra government too doesn't see any wrong in what the Mumbai police did.
देखो, ऐसा है कि ये एक नई फैशन हुई है मोरल पुलिसिंग का शब्द वापरते हुए. कोई देश में मोरल पुलिसिंग नहीं करता है.
As the Mumbai police inquires into the crackdown, a furious city awaits an explanation, if not an outright apology. With Amrita Shedge in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Is there no room for consenting adults in Mumbai? Why is the Mumbai police and the state government trying to play moral police? Joining us on the Newsroom Showdown tonight, Shaina NC spokesperson for the Bharatiya Janata Party, Priyanka Chaturvedi from the Congress Party. I want to go across to Shaina first. Shaina, 40 couples rounded up for indecency in public. Now tell me one thing, Shaina. How for the BJP government in Maharashtra does what a couple does inside a room equal to indecency in public? Why is the Maharashtra police trying to play a moral cop for us? We don't need a nanny. Shaina, what's going on in Maharashtra?
Rahul, there's no question of playing moral police, and we're not at all even interfering in what consenting couples want to do or should be doing, and we're not sitting on judgment here. Please understand the facts of the case. Repeated complaints by not just the locals but also by the local MLA who happens to belong to the Congress party, repeatedly asking the police to investigate. You have parents of some of these children who were scared of kind of drug abuse and all kinds of trafficking which their children were being witness to, or in some cases even participating in. Post those repeated complaints, the Mumbai police investigated on this matter to find out that yes, there were cases of trafficking. There were about 38 cases of absolute hoodlums who were using all kinds of substances on the beach. And I think the investigation
but
did
you're talking
prove
about a
few
completely
points.
different
One
thing, Shaina.
is
You're
that
talking about what's happening on the beach. I'm talking about what's happening at hotels at Mud Island and Aksa Island. One second. I think you're trying to digress from fact. Shaina, 1 second. Because these couples were booked, fined for 1,200 rupees for indecent behavior in public. They were inside rooms, they were adults, they were consenting adults. How do they get booked for indecency in public when they're inside a room, Shaina? Don't worry about the beach for a moment. If someone's doing drugs on a beach, arrest him for sure.
Will you let me
what
answer?
someone does inside his room is his own private matter.
Will you let
How
me
is that
answer?
indecent, Shaina? Answer my question. Yes, please.
I completely agree with you. There is no double speak at all. What two consenting adults do in a private space is not anybody's concern.
Then why did the Mumbai police raid these hotels? Why did they go inside the rooms? Why did they force these couples out?
MLA who did not even belong to our party, if there are cases of misuse of all kinds of substances including drugs, who are not people who are aligned to the BJP in any which way, so please don't try to say that this was the action of the government. This was an independent investigation of the police. If some of the officers were overzealous, an investigation will prove so and they will be brought to task.
No, but you're defending what the police said, saying that this is essentially based on a complaint made by a Congress MLA. Let Priyanka Chaturvedi respond to that. You're saying this is based on a complaint made by a Congress MLA that there was drug trafficking that was going on and therefore the cops had to investigate this case. Priyanka Chaturvedi.
No, I'm very surprised with the entire defense China NC is coming up with. On one hand, she says, moves away from the entire argument where she says that government is in no way involved. But I haven't heard the Chief Minister coming forward and asking for an investigation. You have an investigation happening by the police itself, where the police commissioner came forward and said that they will investigate. My second, please Shaina, please allow me to speak. I didn't interrupt you when you were talking. My second point here is, even if the MLA went and approached the Mumbai police, I would want to know under what sections do you charge these couples who are inside rooms as to indecency in public. And also, if you would remember, Rahul, some time back, there were over 100 deaths that happened in this particular area, and you have the Mumbai police concentrate on, these particular couples, consenting adults, who've taken up rooms, rather than concentrating on the tragedy around the same area. So the entire, logic of what this government is offering and the defense that China is offering is ridiculous.
I think you make a very strong point, and China has no good response to that. Because China, the question that the people of Mumbai are asking tonight is this, that how do you book someone for indecency in public? Why does he have to pay a fine of 1,200 rupees when he's with his girlfriend, his fiancée inside a room? That makes no sense. How can you humiliate young couples in this fashion? Why would the Mumbai police allow this? And why has so far no action been taken against the cops who ordered this probe and carried it out?
First and foremost, please understand few points, that an investigation has been called by the Honorable Chief Minister and the Mumbai Police Commissioner, who have given a statement on record saying that if any police officer chose to act overzealously or over-enthusiastically for whatever reason known to them, the action will be taken. There is no question of shying away from that. The complaint was made by an MLA of the Congress called Aslam Sheikh, along with local residents, along with a lot of parents who are concerned. As a concerned parent, please remember, and I don't even want to remind you of the Deepak Tijori case which happened a couple of years ago, where a minor girl was raped under this same garb of, what is happening.
So are you then saying, Shaina, it's okay for the cops to barge into a hotel room where there are consenting adults? Priyanka Chaturvedi wants to come in and rebut what I say. Priyanka, one at a time, not both together. Just 1 second. Shaina, you had your say. Shaina, you had China's day
it's such a
allow
shame,
Priyanka to
such
make
a
a point
shame
coming
that
back
you
to
bring
you.
the
Just
entire
on
Deepak
China
is
not
happening.
happening. Yes,
I
Priyanka.
think that China is such a shame. It's such a shame that you try to justify what you all did, one wrongdoing, with what happened with Mr. Deepak Tijori's case. You must understand his daughter was below 18. So please do not come up with this argument and do not defend your government just for the heck of it. Please understand that we live in times where your government is choosing what we eat on a plate, what we are eating, what we are watching, and now what we are doing inside our bedrooms. You probably want the Mumbai police to check marriage certificates next, would probably knocking on each doors next. This is absolute moral policing, and your chief minister should come forward and apologize for what's happened.
Why is there no apology from the state government,
please.
China?
As
No,
a
but
concerned
because Priyanka
parent,
makes
if
an
a
important
parent
point.
complains
There is a
repeatedly
trend.
to the
China, hear my
police,
question before you
it is not
respond.
the
There's a trend
prerogative
here.
of the police to
Last week your
investigate.
government wanted to ban porn. Before that you've already banned beef. Now you want to go into rooms and see who's sleeping with whom. This is not okay. Why is the state government trying to play our moral
Let's
police?
also talk about
Nobody
Marathi
wants
theatre,
to look
Marathi
in
movies
rooms.
being
Rahul,
made
please don't
compulsory.
China.
Please, now move beyond, you know, this kind of ridiculous argument.
No, which part
If
of this is
there
ridiculous?
has
All of
been
it
a
is based on
wrongdoing by
fact.
any
The beef
police
ban is a fact, the
officer,
porn ban is a
commissioner,
fact,
the
playing
chief
moral
minister
police
has
is a
said
fact.
that
Which
an
of this is ridiculous?
investigation anywhere will prove so, and action will be meted out to
No,
them.
why
But
has
at
the chief
same
minister
time,
not
as concerned
apologized?
parents,
Why
if
has the
parents
Mumbai
do
Police
complain
Commissioner not
and want the
apologized?
police to
Why
act,
is
if the
China
same
ANC
police
on
did
TV
not
defending
act,
this?
you would have questioned
This-
why they haven't acted.
China, this is a grave act of impropriety, high-handedness, overzealousness. You should be saying sorry. You should be apologizing on behalf of the government to all those young couples who felt humiliated because their
Let me
privacy was
respond.
intruded on.
Every bedroom.
China.
I totally concede to the fact that there is no question of intruding with consenting adults. If there is a case of parents who are concerned about all kinds of substance and abuse, it is absolutely the prerogative of the police to investigate on these complaints. And if there are repeated
Not by
complaints
barging
which
into
prove
somebody's
so,
room,
and there
China, I
were
don't think
3
you still
cases
get
of
it.
trafficking
If
in
you want to
this
check
case,
whether
you
someone's
need dealers
abused
there,
or not, if you want to check whether someone's high on drugs, China, the way to do it. Priyanka, give me a moment, Priyanka. I'm coming back to you for final words. Just one second, China, hear me. Because if you want to check, China, hear me, just on that, fade it down. If you wish to check whether someone is indulging in substance abuse, you can stand outside the hotel, check people when they're coming out, stand on the beach, test people. That's the way. You can take their blood samples. That's the way to test whether someone is indulged in substance abuse or not. Not by rushing into their rooms when they're in a private moment. Priyanka Chaturvedi, final words from you.
No, absolutely. I'd just like to remind China NC, you also have intelligence division in every police, I think every Mumbai, every state, every city. So you can also, you know, raid dealer dens or whatever. You can't just barge into bedrooms to check what is happening. So that is what I'm trying to say. The Chief Minister needs to speak strongly on something like this, and this has to be denounced by the highest
absolutely.
authority
I agree
in
with you,
Maharashtra
Priyanka,
and Mumbai,
entirely.
I'd rather say.
Instead of
and
beating
Mumbai
around the
Police Commissioner
bush,
should give it to, should have a free and fair probe in something like this.
Oh, absolutely. Instead of trying to defend and justify what the Mumbai police officials did, what we should see really is an absolute apology. Without any conditionality, the Mumbai Police Commissioner and the Maharashtra Chief Minister ought to come out and apologize to all those youth who feel humiliated, insulted and threatened by the actions of the moral police. What someone does in the privacy of his bedroom is not the business of Rakesh Maria's police force or Devendra Fadnavis's government. Priyanka Chaturvedi and China NC for joining me on the Newsroom Showdown tonight. Thank you very much.